2.3 is the linear functions in the slope-intercept form. The key concept when it comes to slope is this form right here, change in y over change in x. It doesn't matter what y you start with. So my slope, I'm going to start with the first y, which is 7, minus 4. You just have to be consistent, because I started with this 7. I got to start with this negative 3. So negative 3 minus a negative 2. It gives me 3 over negative 3 minus negative 2 is negative 1 for a slope of negative 3. Now when you're looking at this stuff, the graphs of them give away what the slope is. If it rises left to right, it's positive. If it falls, it's negative. This area is where everybody messes up. If it's a horizontal line, the slope is 0. If it's a vertical line, the slope is undefined. In problem 2 here, what is the equation of each line? Our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, with m being your slope and b being your y-intercept. Well, they give me the slope. They use a coordinate to give me the y-intercept. And all you're doing is plugging it in. So you get y equals my slope, which is 1/5. Now the 0 doesn't matter. It's all about the y-coordinate. So plus b, it's really plus negative 3, but big people math, it's minus 3. So you get y equals 1/5 x minus 3. Problem 3 now gives you an equation and wants to know what it is in slope-intercept form. So again, you're just solving for y here. So the first thing I want to do to solve for y is go ahead and subtract the 5x over, which gives me negative 4y equals negative 5x plus 16. Solve for y, divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. Notice I'm doing it to everything. It has to be divisible by everything. So I'm going to cancel here. Y equals negative 5 over negative 4 is just a positive 5/4 x. And 16 divided by negative 4 is a negative 4. So what are my slope and y-intercept? My slope is what's in front of the x, which is 5/4. And my y-intercept is what's left. It's negative 4. Problem 4 now, they want you to actually graph the equation. So again, I need to get y by itself. How am I going to do that? I'm going to add 2x to both sides. That gives me y equals 2x plus 1. What's my slope? Well, it's what's in front of the x, so my slope is 2. And make sure you write it as a fraction, which is really 2 over 1. My y-intercept is positive 1. So I'm doing this, I start at that y-intercept. 1, which is right there. Okay, and 2, I'm going to go up to 1, 2, and over 1, that gives me my other point. I'm going to connect the dots. There's that one, and then that one. There's my line.